everyone, I'm Bianca. Welcome to my channel if you're new here, and if you're returning, then welcome back. It's me, Bianca. So I know I've been gone for a minute. I've been going through it, y'all. I've been going through it. Okay, so while I've been going through it though, I have been sewing. So buttons. Yes, I've been selling buttons. No, I'm just kidding. This is a time for transformation, for renewal for me. I am really gonna start getting my feet wet, and something very exciting. I am going to start upcycling clothing, and this has been a big dream of mine to have my own upcycled line. And very soon you're going to be able to purchase items on my Depop and on my website. So if you like anything that you see from this video, make sure to comment down below and let me know what you liked. You can always DM me if you want something custom. I will have my Instagram linked. I'm gonna show you pieces that I've upcycled so far and how I've styled it. So yeah, I hope you really enjoyed this video, and without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so I'm taking this long maxi skirt and I'm cutting it basically in half, because I'm going to take one half and keep it as a mini skirt, and then the other half I'm going to make it into a sheared halter top, and you will see how I do that shortly. So here I am just cutting it in half, and then the remainder fabric on the bottom is what I'm going to use to make the shirt. So getting into sewing, I am just getting my fabric together, and I've already sheared a couple of segments, and this fabric definitely makes it super easy to shear as far as staying in the lines, because it is plaid. So I just follow the lines basically, and I probably do about 1 inch, maybe half an inch each shear. And here I am just showing you a little up close. And the thing is about shearing, you want to gather the fabric and kind of move slowly. You're always going to want to back stitch each time. It's super important because the shearing elastic is really finicky and it's a little harder to work with. You really want to make sure that it is in place and that it's never going to unravel, because it is a stretchy elastic type of thread. And here I am just trying it on, and I decided that I was going to kind of make it into a halter. And I'm getting super excited because I love mixing and matching prints. If you know me, that's like one of my favorite things ever. So here I am deciding I'm gonna put some leopard ribbon right under the bust and then right above it as well. So this top is gonna be completely backless, and I love the high neck. Like, this is one of my favorite silhouettes, honestly, a high neck backless type situation. I absolutely love it. And so here I am just getting super excited, you can see. And then I'm going back into the sewing machine and I go and sew the ribbon together. I had to make this a little bit smaller, so I just went and straight stitched to make it basically a thinner fabric. And then here I am pinning those to the top, and I will go ahead and sew it. Also, I did want to make a note that I had to make 2 separate sheared pieces, and then I connected those to make a top, because whenever you shear something, it definitely makes it smaller. So that's what I had to do. And then here I am just trying it on and seeing how it fits, and making sure everything is nice and in place. And I'm getting super excited because you will see how it ends up looking. It's so cute. I love plaid and leopard together. It's my absolute favorite combination ever.
I fought to duplicate it all. I I thought we'd never fall, but now it's all gone wrong, and I keep holding on. I used to feel so alive when you were by my side, but now I'm feeling trapped, and I keep living like that. It's time to say goodbye, so all the tears we've cried.
Okay, the next project, I'm taking this guy's jersey. This is a football jersey, and I decided to make it a little girly. I sheared the bottom so that it kind of was like a peplum style. And here I'm trying to decide which patches to put on the shoulder, and I'm deciding if I want to make little numbers out of this extra fabric that I have. So I did decide to make numbers. I made the numbers 41, and I'm deciding which patch to put with it. And I just absolutely loved this. I thought it was so cute, and I think I'm gonna make way more of these. This is what I decided to go with. I love accessorizing and wearing black, so I thought this was the perfect little mix, and the butterfly matches perfectly, so this is what I came up with. Okay, so moving on to my third project, I have this, it's a little oversized on me, this tank top, and I wanted to add this leopard on top of it. So basically what I ended up doing was first sizing out the tank top to make sure that it was going to fit me, because like I said, it was a little bit big on me. So I start by cutting off the top of the tank top, because I already know that I'm not going to use that part of the tank top. And then I start measuring out how much I need to take it in by, because it's a couple inches too big. So I end up cutting out what I don't need. Okay, and so this is actually a romper. I know it looks so tiny. It is, and I never wear it because of that. So I just cut off the top of the romper, and then I'm going to start fitting the top to see how it's going to lay and look on my bust, and that's what I'm doing here. And then once I've decided how I like it, I'm going to take it to the sewing machine, and I'm going to first sew the top together to make sure that that is one piece. And then once I'm finished with that, I will go ahead and sew on the leopard to make it one top. And here's how it looks.
What are the plans tonight, slut? Bitch, we're going out. Going where? It's a Hira's house.
I could say I told you so. You made it up in your head. And when you tell me that it's not enough, let me slip you my address. You know I think you're cute, baby, move on me. I'll make you part of something new with the who's who. I'll hit your body with that glitter covered bedroom. Leave the rest for you to guess. All that I want, and yet I want more. Baby, don't stop, just set a new course. When it gets hard, you know I'm all yours.
Okay, and this is the last project for this video. I absolutely love how this one came out. I am shearing a soccer jersey, and I'm going to shear it all the way up until the bust line. So basically this method cinches this jersey in to make it more fitted as opposed to sports style, you know, oversized or whatever. And this is how it came out and how I styled it.
make up shit to convince yourself that I'm not that bitch. So scared I'ma fuck your man, I don't want no dick that a broke hoe had. Y'all itching to go back and forth, I ain't worried about nothing that a broke hoe said. A bitch can't get a rise out of me, cause I know that hoe ain't making no bread.